Okay, in this video we'll be making potato cheese balls in the air fryer. We have here 6 potatoes, organic old potatoes. We have the air fryer preheated at 400 degrees and we're going for 30 minutes. Okay, let's put them in. Make sure they're nicely spread out. We'll put them in and we'll be back in 30 minutes. Okay, it's been 30 minutes at 400 degrees. Let's take them out. Oh yeah. Alright. Okay, let's start removing the skin of these potatoes. As you can see, it can peel off real easily. It's really hot too, so keep that in mind. There we go, one. And now we're gonna mash them. Nice and smooth. And now we're gonna season the mashed potatoes. Spread them out. Now we're just gonna cover the surface of the potatoes with some seasoning. We're gonna start with some onion powder. Some garlic powder. Some sea salt. And some black pepper. There we go, and mix everything all together. Okay, we're gonna start making the potato cheese balls. We have here some flour, and we're gonna crack 3 eggs in here. 1, 2, 3. And then stir it all together. Make sure it's nice and even. Break it up a little bit. Okay. And the next thing we'll need is some breadcrumbs. For this one, we're going to be using Progresso breadcrumbs, garlic and herb. There you go. And the cheese we'll be using is mozzarella cheese sticks. Let's open up a few and get started. Okay, we'll start with 3 for now. For the size, I prefer around 1 inch. So the first thing we're going to do is take some of the seasoned potatoes and make it into a ball. Then take one of the cheeses and put in the center, and then just close it up. And roll it just a little bit, just to make sure it looks like a ball. And then put it into the flour. Put it into the egg wash. And then put it into the seasoned breadcrumbs. There you go, that's one. Let's do that one more time. Take some potatoes. The cheese in the center. And close it up. Roll it into a ball. There you go. Dip it into a flour. Dip it into the egg wash. And dip into the seasoned breadcrumbs. There you go. This is what it should look like. And we're gonna put it here. And let's finish up the rest. Okay, we have the potato cheese balls already, and now we're gonna preheat the air fryer. We're gonna preheat the air fryer at 380 degrees, and we'll be back. The air fryer's been preheated, and the next thing we're gonna do is spray some olive oil. Okay. Turn them over. Okay, we're set, and now we're gonna put them in. But before you put it in, you should spray some olive oil in here too, just to prevent it from sticking. There you go. Make sure they're nicely spread out. Let's put them in. We're going for 370 degrees for 8 minutes, and we'll be back. Okay, the potato cheese balls are ready. Let's take them out. Oh yeah, looking great. This is what we have today, potato cheese balls made in the air fryer. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Okay, let's open one up. Oh yeah, look at that. Looking great. Here, have a bite.